Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keyboard on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard on Telegram, you should just go to enter here to settings. Then you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Telegram and you can click in this page of Telegram. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. If you'll find the update, you can click update app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.